How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Sparky's also gonna be in the vid. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So again, for some of the fitness guys wondering why I'm making a hickey video, I know it's not fitness related, but it's a very popular topic on my channel. I started talking about this when I first started making videos. It gained a lot of traction and I keep getting comments from subscribers. So that's why I'm doing this. So I do apologize if you guys get upset, but anyways, what I do is I pick a question from a subscriber, I just read it out loud, then we talk about it. So this subscriber wants to know if you can get rid of a hickey with coffee grounds. Now I've heard of this before. Sparky, what are you doing? So I have heard about this before, you guys. The thing with coffee grounds, Sparky, stop, like, show your head. The thing with coffee grounds is there's some ingredient that some people think can help hickeys. Now, coffee grounds, I think they actually do work, but the thing is, they're not as good as my way. My way is much better. Nothing on the internet I have found so far is better than my way. My way is the best. And again, I will tell you my way at the end of the video. But let's talk about this coffee grounds. Let's just say if it did work. If coffee grounds did work, which I'm pretty sure they do, it's gonna take a day or two at least to get rid of that hickey. Now, some of you may be thinking, wow, a day's really not that bad. Hickeys by themselves, I think, take about a week to get rid of. Now, a week is really freaking long. A day or two is that's long too. I was about to say that's even longer, but that's actually shorter. So a day or two isn't too bad. And again, this probably does work. So my way, I'll tell you my way now. So again, thank you, subscriber, for the question. And yeah, I'll tell you my way now. My way is getting a coin or a spoon, whatever you have access to. Most people should have a spoon in the house, just a eating utensil. So a spoon. And what you're gonna do is rub the hickey for 2 minutes. That is it. 90% of people, 2 minutes, it's gone day. If it doesn't work for 2 minutes, do 5 minutes. Now, what'll happen is that after 5 minutes, I guarantee, 100% guarantee it's gone. What'll happen is your neck is gonna be red because you rubbed it for 5 minutes or 2 minutes, whichever one you did. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the redness to go away. When the redness goes away, your hickey will also be vanished. 100% guaranteed. Guaranteed. It takes 2 to 5 minutes, that's it. You don't have to wait a day, don't have to wait a week, don't have to wait 2-3 days. 2 to 5 minutes, it's gone day. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.